Today I show you how to reset your Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 to default setting. Now I open the Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 and open the new project. Now you see here all windows are default. Now I close the windows. Then I show you how to reset the Adobe Premiere Pro default setting. Now all windows are closed, and now I show you how to reset your all windows. Go to Windows option and workspace option and click on reset current workspace, and it asks yes or no. You click on yes. Now all default settings are set, but you see no tracks are here. Now I show you how to enter all tracks. Go to File, New, and click here and OK. Now all tracks were here. Now I show you a pick add in track. Now you see a pick is add here. Thank you for watching.